Hey everyone, today we'll see one of the programming questions which is asked in the first round, and it is typically easy one. You need to find the from the given string if it has unique characters or not. So here in the given input you can see A B C D A is repeated, so which means this string is not unique with characters. For the given input ABCD, you can see the it is having the unique characters. No characters is repeated, so the output will be true. So we need to find if a given string has unique characters and or not. Okay, so let's see. For solving this, let's first start with creating a string. I'll take ABCD first. Okay, now for uniqueness, I'll use set. Okay. First of all, let's create a char array. Okay. So I'll create char array. Okay. Equal to tr dot to char array. Okay. Now I'll create a set of character. Set char. I'll call it char set and set. And for set and has set, that's why I've used util import here. Okay, now I'll write an if condition. First of all, I'll iterate the character array if int I equal to 0 to I less than ar dot length I plus plus, and here if it is found in char set, if char set dot contains ARRI. If I'll try to find if it is already available in set, it means it has the current character is duplicate. Okay, so what we will do, I'll create a boolean value. I'll keep by default true. So if it is found in the set, it means it is not unique. So unique equal to false, it will be there. Okay, and as soon as I'll find it, I'll do a break. Else what I'll do, I'll put this new character in the char set. So add method I'll use, and here I'll add ARRI. Okay, so I'll use ARRI, and I'll just print it if it is unique or not. So I'll use system.print string is unique. Okay, unique plus value of unique. Okay, let's try to execute it. If it doesn't have any compiler issue, okay, so it is unique. You can see the value is coming. String is unique. Why? Because in ABCD nothing is repeated. Okay, now let's add some repeated value. ABCCD. So in this case, it should return false. Okay, you can see that it is returning false. So the logic was add in a list or set the values, but before adding it checks if it is already have that value or not. If it already has that value, means this string is not unique, and if it isn't, then add the value to the list, and that's how will. So the time complexity will be O(n) and the space complexity will be also O of n, because we are iterating. At the worst case, we need to iterate to the end of the string. I hope this clarifies this problems for you. And if you have any more questions on this, do write in the comment sections. Okay. If you think the video is helpful, do like the video and subscribe to the channel.